The real reason why 90% of men over 40 can't build their upper chest. One of the biggest frustrations in training is doing everything right. Lifting consistently, eating well, staying disciplined, and still having one body part refuse to grow. For most men, that body part is the upper chest. You look in the mirror and see a decent lower chest, maybe even good overall size, but the area near the clavicle stays flat. That lack of upper chest development creates an unbalanced look, no matter how strong you are. And if you're over 40, this problem becomes even more common. Natural testosterone decline, slower recovery, and postural issues all make upper chest growth harder than it used to be. Today, I'll break down the main mistakes stopping your upper chest from growing, and then show you the best exercises to finally fix it. You don't need fancy routines or endless volume, just smarter execution. Mistake number 1, using the wrong incline angles. Most men know that incline exercises are necessary for the upper chest, but very few use the correct incline. Research shows that inclines below 30 degrees still emphasize the middle chest. Inclines above 45 degrees shift most of the work to the front delts. That means the ideal range for upper chest activation is between 30 and 45 degrees. This is where many men go wrong. They blindly use whatever angle the bench is set at instead of adjusting it to fit their body. Taller lifters, in particular, often need to slide slightly lower on the bench to keep the weight path aligned with the upper chest. Small adjustments here make a massive difference over time. Mistake number 2, not prioritizing the upper chest. One of the most basic principles of muscle growth is priority training. Muscles trained earlier in a workout grow more because strength is higher, energy levels are higher, focus and coordination are better. Yet most men start chest day with flat bench press, which emphasizes the middle and lower chest. By the time they get to incline work, they're already fatigued. That's a long-term mistake. Fix. Always begin your chest workout with 1 or 2 upper chest exercises when you're fresh and focused. Mistake number 3, letting the shoulders take over. Even when doing incline presses correctly, many men still fail to hit the upper chest properly. The biggest issue is elbow position. When elbows flare too wide, almost 90 degrees from the body, the front delts take over and the upper chest becomes secondary. To fix this, keep elbows around 45 degrees. Think about driving your elbows slightly downward and inward. Reduce the load if necessary. Heavy weight with poor mechanics builds shoulders, not upper chest. Mistake number 4, ignoring the chest's real function. The chest doesn't just push weight. Its main function is horizontal adduction, bringing the arms inward. If all you think about is pushing the weight up, your triceps and shoulders will dominate the movement. Instead, change your mental focus. Think about bringing your biceps toward your chest. Imagine squeezing your elbows together at the top. This mental cue improves chest activation instantly, especially for the upper fibers. Mistake number 5, poor setup and posture. How you position yourself on the bench determines how much tension the upper chest receives. Many men over 40 have rounded shoulders and tight chests, which place the upper chest in a shortened position before the lift even begins. Before every rep, feet planted firmly, upper back tight against the bench, scapula pulled back and down, chest lifted toward the ceiling. This creates a pre-stretch in the upper chest, which dramatically improves muscle recruitment and reduces shoulder strain. Best upper chest exercises. Choose 2. You don't need every exercise, just 2 done correctly and consistently. 1. Incline dumbbell press, the most effective overall upper chest builder. Bench at 30 to 45 degrees. Elbows at 45 degrees. Controlled descent deep stretch. Press up thinking, bring the biceps together. 3 to 4 sets of 6 to 10 reps. 2. Incline dumbbell fly. Excellent for stretch and isolation. Same bench angle. Slight bend in the elbows. Slow eccentric. No pressing motion. 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps. 3. Low cable crossover. Great for constant tension. Start from low pulleys. Bring hands up and inward. Control every rep. 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15 reps. 4. Decline push-up. Highly underrated and equipment-free. Feet elevated. Chest up. Elbows at 45 degrees. 3 sets to failure. Final takeaway. Your upper chest isn't genetically cursed. It's usually being trained with poor angles, bad sequencing, and shoulder-dominant mechanics. Fix your setup. Train it first. Clean up your technique. And stick to just 2 key exercises consistently. Thanks for watching, and God bless, my friend.